This is a small video about the change of the spelling of the base verb when it is used with the third person singular number, that is he, she and it. How does it change? Let us see now. So there are three variations in this. When, for example, I go to school. I go to school. So the verb is go. So in the place of I, we use he. This go takes es. He goes to school. We use like this. So what are all the changes that we have? Like this. So there are three changes that we find in the present tense verb when we use he, she or it as a subject. So the first one is when the verb ends in O, S, X, CH and SH. When the base verb ends in any one of these letters, then we have to add es to the base verb. For example, take go, we have to say es. He goes. Next, S. Take pass, pass. Then we have to add es, passes. Next, when the verb ends in the letter X, we have to add ex, fixes. If the verb ends in the letters catch, that is ch, we have to add es. And sh also we have to add es. In all the other cases we have to add s. So he goes to school, he passes the exams, he fixes the problem, he catches the ball, he pushes always. So like that we have to use this. This is the first case. Next we see the second one. Now we see case 2. When the base verb ends in a letter Y and preceded by a consonant. And how does the spelling change? For the base verb we have to add ies and we have to remove Y. We see some of the examples for this. For example, cry, cry. We can't simply add s. The baby cries. We can't say crys. So this is the letter Y, and here we have the consonant as we have given in this place. Now write cr and remove this Y and add is, cries. So the baby cries. The baby always cries. And we take another example for this. fly, fly. See, here we have a consonant. So when we use this verb with he, she or it, this becomes fl, remove this Y, add ies. Please remember, here we should have a consonant. study, study. I study, we study, you study, they study. But he studies. Here we have Y and this is a consonant. So the spelling change is studies, studies. This is how it changes. Y should be removed. Next, carry. So Y preceded by a consonant. I carry, we carry, you carry, they carry, but he carries. So the spelling change is Carries. Y is removed and is is added. This is how it takes place. Now we see when a vowel is placed before the letter Y in the base verb, how does it change? There won't be any kind of change. For example, we add V1 plus S. Take PLAY, play. Here vowel is there. No need to add IS here. Add PLA, simply add S. That's it. Next, BUY, by. Here we have a vowel BUYS, buys. Simply add S. This is the change that we find here. So X, CH and SH. If the base verb has all these things, add ES. This is the first case. And the second case is consonant plus Y endings. V1 plus IES. And vowel plus Y. V1 plus S. In all the other cases, we have to add S to the base verb. This is the third one. So this is how it changes. We see a few examples for a little bit clarity. Now we see some examples to have a better understanding of this concept. The first one is she calls me Bunny. So here we use the verb calls. So the verb base verb is call. We have added S since the subject is she. There is no rule for this because it doesn't fall under any of the categories that we have already discussed now. Next one is my mom makes. Here we have used the verb make. Since my mom comes under she, we have used the S form. We have added S. Here there is no rule for this. It's a general addition. And the third one is she catches fish. Here the verb used is catch. So the ending is CH. We have added ES. She buys. Here the verb is buy. We have added only S because the Y is followed by a vowel. When the Y is followed by a vowel, we simply add S. The Y is followed by a consonant, we add IES by removing the letter Y. She buys fish. Razu plays. Here the verb used is PLAY, play. Here the ending is Y preceded by a vowel. So we have simply added S but not IES. She says. Here Y preceded by a vowel. Just add S. She says lies. If you like the video, please share it and subscribe my channel. Thank you.